Alright, so this question gave a lot of people fits on the quiz, and so we're going to work through it real quick for a couple reasons. One, because a lot of people missed it. Two, because I actually messed up on the answer too, so I would have missed it. I left off a step. So let's work through it real quick. The first thing you want to do is calculate the mean. And so we go through each one of these numbers and add them up, and you get 393. After that 393, you're going to divide it by the sample number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we divide that by 8. That gives us an X bar of like 49.125. And so this 49.125 is going to go in this block. Okay? And so in here, you take 49.125 and you square it. That gives you a number that looks like 2413, 265625, whatever, right? And so that's going to go right here. To get this one, we're going to square each of these numbers. So you have 82 squared plus 22 squared plus 24 squared plus 88 squared. And so each one of these needs to be squared and then added to each other. When you do that, you get a number that looks something like 3284, give or take, right? And so that gives us this number right here. So then we just take this 3284, subtract it by the 2413, and we get something like 871. This is where I stopped, because I forgot this step right here, where we take the n, which is 8, and you divide it by n minus 1. So that'll be 7. 8 divided by 7 gives you 1.14. And so we need to multiply this 871 by 1.14. When you do that, you get something close to 995. I accepted any answer that was plus or minus 5. So if you got anywhere between 990 to 1000, I just assume that that is something to do with where you rounded your numbers. Alright? And so that's how you work through the variance calculation. You find the mean, square it to get this, and then you square each one of these numbers to get this, subtract that number by the mean squared, and then you multiply by your n divided by n minus 1 to get your variance.